Ever wondered how raw materials transform into bespoke creations? At Bella Manufacturing, precision isn't just a process, it's an art form. Our skilled artisans meticulously craft each piece, ensuring unparalleled quality and attention to detail. Imagine blending cutting edge technology with traditional craftsmanship. That's what sets Bella Manufacturing apart. Our innovative techniques redefine industry standards, ensuring each product is a testament to our commitment to excellence and continuous improvement. From laser precision to hand finished touches, our approach marries the best of both worlds. This synergy not only enhances product quality, but also drives innovation, keeping us at the forefront of the manufacturing industry. At Bella Manufacturing, every client is unique. We tailor solutions to meet specific needs, ensuring satisfaction and long term partnerships. Hear from our clients who've experienced the transformative power of our bespoke services. Join us in crafting your success story.